4 police officers who allegedly opened fire on court attendants, killing 1 person in Juba last year, have been rearrested following a court order on Friday. Advocate Jeffrey Victor Beulah, who is following the case, told iRadio on Friday morning. Victor Beulah said the officers, whose names he declined to mention, committed the crime on July 18, 2021. According to the executive director of the Human Rights Observatory organization, the officers had their immunity lifted by Inspector General of the National Police Service in order for them to stand trial for the alleged crime. This was after they were released from a detention facility, in contrary to the legal procure. Advocate Victor said the arrest came after a mobile court accepted their application demanding for arrest of the officers. The judge accepted in our applications an order of rearrest of the accused persons who happen to be under South Sudan Police Service. The court ordered for their arrest, and they are currently re-arrested today and put in prison awaiting trial. The court has also granted the accused person a chance to bring their advocate in compliance to Article 19, which says any accused person has a right to avail a lawyer to defend himself or herself. The accused had their immunity removed by the inspector of police, which is the procedures to enable them stand trial to answer for, Victor said. Friday's first hearing into the case was presided over by Judge Joshua Ladu. The South Sudan 2008 Penal Code does not grant bail for a suspect charged with murder.